Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about movement of oxygen, carbon dioxide and glucose. Let's discuss about moving oxygen to the cells. Once oxygen has entered the RBC, that is red blood cell, it begins the journey inside the body. It moves through the capillaries in the lungs. Then it moves the network of tubes which provides a surface area between blood and tissue. The surface area allows oxygen and glucose to pass through the blood and tissue. Blood moves away from the lungs and it travels along pulmonary vein. Then the oxygenated blood taken away from the heart to the parts of the body. Look at this picture. This is the blood capillary. The tube is a blood capillary. So inside the tube there are the bloods. So once the oxygen entered to this capillary, so that is the oxygen entered to the capillaries, then that oxygen and blood combined together, it creates a oxygenated blood. This oxygenated blood only comes from the lungs to the heart through the pulmonary vein. Then moving carbon dioxide to the lungs. A carbon dioxide is a product of aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is nothing but energy is released when sugar molecules take part in a chemical reaction with oxygen. In this reaction, carbon dioxide and water are produced. Then the carbon dioxide which leaves the cells and does not enter the RBC but stays in plasma. The plasma is nothing but watery part of the blood. Next, the carbon dioxide travels through the veins to the right of the heart. Then from the heart, the carbon dioxide travels through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. From there, it escapes into the air through the walls of the capillaries of alveoli. Look at this picture. This is the alveoli. So this alveoli is nothing but end point of the respiratory system. So it is useful to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide in the bloodstream. See, look at this picture. So the oxygen comes with the help of alveoli to capillary wall. See here, this is oxygenated deficient blood cell, oxygen deficient blood cell. Once the oxygen entered to the capillary wall, so that oxygen plus the blood combined together and it produced the oxygenated blood cell. This, look at this, the red one, that is a oxygenated blood. It's the oxygenated blood is very thick red. Then moving glucose to the cells. A glucose contains the store of energy that it released during respiration. Glucose passes through the small intestine walls and enters into the capillaries. It does not enter into the RBC but stays in a plasma. A glucose travels in plasma through veins which takes blood to the heart. Then the blood enters the right side of the heart and then it passes to the lungs where it picks up oxygen. Then the blood reaches the left side of the heart. Through aorta, the blood travels into the arteries and takes glucose to the body. Children, let's recall this topic. The first question is, what kind of surface area is needed to quickly transfer substances in the blood to the tissue? The time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is large. So it's need large surface area to quickly transfer substance in the blood to the tissue. Then second one. In which part of the blood is carbon dioxide transported? The time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is plasma. Because the carbon dioxide doesn't enter the RBC but stays in plasma. Third question. Where does glucose enter the blood? The time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is small intestine wall. Children, your answers are everything is correct. Very good. Thank you.